sit. Good girl. Good puppies. They didn't like that very much.
A little jealousy, huh?
Little tiny bit.
Oh, well. You're a lucky dog, Sky. Our rose is blooming. It's almost as big as your head, Diane. And the plumbing work resumes.
You know, and they can only tell so many people to not flush and go potty in a hotel.
Yeah.
You know, so we're down in the basement or in the crawl space. We're literally crawling hand and foot, and I'm at the break. And when you're at any part of the waistline, you can hear flushes.
Oh.
And you can hear things. So I'm like, I'm getting ready to do all the stuff, and I'm like right here, and the pipe's right here, and I'm like, I hear the flush. I'm, Garrett, I think somebody just took a shit. And he's like, well, then shut up and shut your mouth. And I shut my mouth, and I turn my face like this, right as just this big mass of stuff comes right by me, and he's like, welcome to being a plumber, brother. And I'm like, how much do I get paid?
Sky says, where are you going?
All right.
Don't worry, he'll be back, Sky.
Almost forgot one thing, Sky. Always, huh? I'll be right back.
What do you think of that, Sky? You want to go down inside? Nah. All right, that's the mask to scare away the rats.
The way they go running. Okay. See you in a little bit.
Well, good luck. Sky wonders what's going on. He needs those pipes,
Oh, there's my other
Sky.
We'll see you in a little bit, Sky.
Well, nothing I can really see from here, so we'll just imagine what's going on. Sky's still waiting for Keaton. So how'd it go?
We got her.
Fantastic. I heard some moans and groans, but
Yeah, you gotta put a little muscle into it.
yeah. Heading back in, you're all done.
No, I'm all done for now.